Minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillah-r-Rahmanir-Rahim. Today we read page number 4 and 5. The first question is, what is Eugelina? Eugelina kya hai? Eugelina is a strange kind of protist. It has an eye spot and long wave projection called flagellum. Eugelina is a strange kind of protist. It has an eye spot and a long wave projection called flagellum. The next question is, what is bacteria? Bacteria are small microorganisms that live in air and water. Bacteria are small microorganisms that live in air and water. The next question is, how many shapes are there? कितनी shapes हैं bacteria की? There are 3 shapes of bacteria. The first shape is round, and the second shape is elongated, and the third shape is spiral. The first shape of bacteria is round, and the second shape of bacteria is elongated, and the third shape of bacteria is spiral. Now come to the next question. Which diseases can spread through bacteria? Bacteria के through कौन सी बीमारियाँ फैलती हैं? Which diseases can spread through bacteria? The first disease that can spread through bacteria is tuberculosis, and the second disease is tetanus, and the third disease is typhoid, and the fourth disease is cholera. The first disease that can spread through bacteria is tuberculosis, second is tetanus, third is typhoid, and the fourth is cholera. Now come to the next question. In which groups botanists have divided plants? Botanists ने plants को कितने groups में divide किया है? In which groups botanists have divided plants? Botanists have divided plants in 4 main groups. The first group of plant is algae and fungi. The second group is mosses and liverworts. And the third group is ferns, club mosses and horsetails. The fourth group of plant is seed-bearing plants. Botanists have divided plants into 4 main groups: algae and fungi, mosses and liverworts, ferns, club mosses and horsetails, and the fourth is seed-bearing plants. The next question is, where is algae found? Algae कहाँ पाई जाती है? Where is algae found? Algae found in surface layer of water and the surface of seas and lakes. Algae is found in the surface layer of water, the surface of seas and lakes. The next question is, what is fungi? Fungi क्या है? Fungi are not green plants and they are made of thin threads called hyphae. And the mushroom is an example of fungi. Fungi are the plants that are not green and they are made of thin threads called hyphae. And mushroom is an example of fungi. The next question is, write some types of algae. Algae की कुछ types बताएं. There are 5 types of algae. The number 1 is chlorococcum, second chlamydomonas, the third type is volvox, and the fourth type is pyrogyra, and the 5th type is seaweeds. There are 5 types of algae. The first type is chlorococcum, the second type is chlamydomonas, the third type is volvox, fourth type is pyrogyra, and the 5th type is seaweeds. Now repeat the previous questions. What is Eugelina? Strange kind, eye spot, long wave. What is bacteria? Microorganism, live in air and water. How many shapes are there? Round, elongated, spiral. Which diseases can spread through bacteria? Tuberculosis, tetanus, typhoid, cholera. In which groups botanists have divided plants? 4 main groups: algae and fungi, mosses and liverworts, ferns, club mosses and horsetails, seed-bearing plants. Where is algae found? Surface layer of water, seas and lakes. What is fungi? Not green plants, thin threads, hyphae. Mushroom is an example of fungi. Write some types of algae: chlorococcum, chlamydomonas, volvox, spirogyra and seaweeds.